you are using Facebook every single day, which definitely means that you have a smartphone or a laptop, and yet you are still broke. Well, after this video, you will no longer be broke again. That is if you implement whatever thing I'm going to share with you in this video. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 proven methods that you can actually use to make money on Facebook. And when we talk of making money, we are talking about up to $5,000 plus every single month. So the first one here is basically Facebook local lead generation. Now how this works is basically simple. You, the local lead generator, you create a Facebook page and then you market local businesses around your area and actually connect the businesses to the customers that you've gotten. So for example, let me say you live in an area whereby they have a car showroom where they basically sell cars. Now the one thing you do is simply you go over to Facebook, create a Facebook page that is dedicated to selling cars. So for example, let me say your name is Perez. Now you basically create a Facebook page with the name Perez City Autos, which basically means that what? Autos means you are selling cars. So obviously people will think you are the one selling the cars. Now once you set up this page, the next thing is simply you go over to this car stand. Now I'm using car stand as an example, doesn't mean it has to be a car stand. It can be any sort of business out there. Now you go over to this business and meet with the business owners, letting them know that what you have a Facebook page whereby you've been uploading pictures of cars and different cars that are available for sale. Now once you tell them this, now they'll say, okay, so what do you want us to do? Now you tell them that, okay, I can actually connect you to the buyers and then you sell these cars to these people on the condition that what you are going to pay me a percentage of the sale. So for example, it could be 3%, and I always advise get anything between 3 to 10%. Now give them this range for them to actually pick. Now depending on the car price, depending on the percentage you actually get. Now the second one is basically AI faceless content. Now you can actually make over, what is $5,000 when it comes to faceless content? Now what faceless content basically means is simply you use AI to actually create videos. And when we talk of creating these videos, you use AI to script the video, you use AI to generate the media you use in the video, such as the images, the videos, and then the voiceover. And basically you join the videos and images, whatever thing together, and then you upload it on Facebook. Now if you go through TikTok, Facebook, or even YouTube here right now, you see that a lot of big channels that are actually pulling up millions, or let me just say millions of subscribers and views every single day, actually create content using AI. Like this content actually perform the most. Now you can also create this sort of content and post them on Facebook and make over $5,000 every single month. Now AI faceless content is the easiest form of content to create. Why? Because you already have a smartphone or a laptop and you are good to go. Unlike the sort of videos that I'm creating that I need to get a good lighting, I need to get a microphone, I need a laptop probably so I could do a better edit, or I need a phone with great camera, I need other things to actually make my content great. Now with faceless content, you don't need any of this. If you have a smartphone, whether it has a great camera quality or not, it doesn't really concern you. You use AI to basically do every single thing needed, and this will actually help you put out a great content quality and at the same time make money without you spending a dime. So now the second option on my list is simply the AI faceless content. Now third business idea on my list that you can actually make over $5,000 every single month is simply AI affiliate marketing. Now what is AI affiliate marketing? Now this is an affiliate marketing model whereby you use AI for every single thing. Now for example, let me say you want to start affiliate marketing in the health and fitness niche. Now what you do is simply you head over to an AI like ChatGPT. Now once you're over there, you tell ChatGPT that, okay, I want to get into AI affiliate marketing, like I want to use AI to do every single thing for the marketing. So kindly give me a strategy to follow. Now once you give ChatGPT this prompt, ChatGPT is going to give you the full strategy you need to follow. And this strategy will involve, number one, the content strategy that you need to create on Facebook to actually generate followers and then convert those followers to sales. Now that one will also give you every single instruction you need. Now with that, you can just mix it up with the AI content creation system that I talked about earlier, whereby you use AI to create the content. So with the AI affiliate marketing, you use AI to create the content and then you attach whatever affiliate program that you are promoting. So if you are promoting a health and fitness thing, you just have to create videos about health and fitness using AI. And then at the end of every single video, you tell people that what, okay, this product that you mentioned in the video is actually available. They can just click on any the link in your bio or the link in your video description to actually buy it. Now there are people making over $50,000 to $100,000 from it. Now I haven't gotten to that scale yet. That's why I'm using the value that I have personally generated, which is about $5,000 as an example in this video. Now the fourth one here is basically reaction videos. Now reaction videos are I would say they are the most easiest form of videos to actually create as a content creator. Why? Because you don't have to come up with your original ideas. No, you don't have to. All you need to do is simply look at videos that are already performing well out there. So for example, let me say you want to get into reaction video creation, and your sort of reaction video maybe is about football videos. Now what do? Now after every football match or every football game, you go over to your social media platform, be it TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. No, you will not get on Instagram. Let me just say Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Now you look out for this football match highlight. Now you save the highlight mostly from TikTok. You save it over to your phone. Now once you save it over to your phone, the next thing you do is simply you can use, now for those of you who are using iPhone, you can use this app known as the Detail app. Now with the Detail app, you can just upload the video of that football match onto the Detail app, which is more like a video editor, and then you enable the camera feature, and then you can just record yourself whilst you're actually talking about the video. So reaction videos are very easy to create. Just look for a video that suits whatever thing that you want to talk about, and then you save that video onto your phone, and you just record yourself talking about whatever thing that is already said in that video. Or at times you can just make a basic intro, and then after the intro ends, then you play whatever content that the video contains. Now at the end of that, then you give your final verdict on whatever thing that happened in the video, and you can just upload it. And this is one of the easiest form of content you can create as a content creator who doesn't want to stress themselves. All you need to do is simply just look for content that are already getting a lot of attention on the internet and react to it. Now I've not made a dedicated video on how you can create reaction videos using iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user, you want to learn how to create reaction video, just comment reaction videos on iPhone down in this video description, down in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to your comment with a video that I'm actually going to make for you. Now the fifth way to actually make up to $5,000 every single month on Facebook is basically skill marketing. Now what do I mean by skill marketing? Now skill marketing is basically, for example, let me say you have a skill that you've actually mastered. So for example, I'm a video editor, I've mastered video editing. So if I want to get clients to my video editing services, now I don't have to stress myself trying to sign up to multiple freelancing platforms, even though it helps. But one thing I'll do is simply, instead of stressing over joining so many freelancing platforms or look for people to refer me, all I need to do is simply, I just have to create a Facebook page. I'm already doing that. Create a Facebook page, and then I create content around video editing. Like I just share video editing tips. Like, so basically you just share video editing tips. That's if your skill is video editing. Now you just share video editing tips on your timeline, and at the end of every single tip that you drop, you need to let people know that what you are actually offering a video editing services. So this way people who are interested in your service can actually patronize you. Like my biggest video editing client that I've actually gotten here was a real estate company in Dubai, and they actually saw my video on YouTube here, and they contacted me because I made mention that what I offer video editing services. So you can also do this. Now whatever skill that you have, whether you are into tailoring, you are into whatever thing that you know that what you actually mastered. Now one thing I always tell people is simply, we are in the digital age. You shouldn't be struggling to get sales. So if you find yourself that you've mastered any particular skill, just utilize the power of social media to market that skill, and you'll be good to go. Now for when it comes to marketing skills, it's one of the easiest things you have to do. Just look at YouTube here. You are going to see a lot of people that are into video editing, graphic design, website development and stuff, creating content. Now let me tell you one thing you don't know. We already have physical skills that are creating content, we don't really consider ad revenue much as our main source of income. That's why I say that what we don't care much about the views we get. We focus more on promoting our services. Like for example, look at the pinned comment of this video you are watching right now. I've listed every single service that I'm actually offering in my marketing agency. So you can just patronize me in case you need any of those services, such as video editing, graphic design, and social media management, website development and stuff. We actually offer all of this in my marketing agency. So in case you need a video editor, why not? You can just hit me up. My contact details will be down in the video description, and you can also check out our website at pereztech.com. Now the prices, they are outdated. We'll be updating them soon, so you can just contact us, and then we are actually going to see how we can work with you and take your business to the next level. So guys, now I just covered the 5 best ideas on how you can actually make up to $5,000 every single month on Facebook. Now remember what I said earlier, that making this is possible, but you will not make it from the first day. You have to put in the effort to actually get to this level. Now, I'll be creating content for 5 years now, so you don't expect your result and my result to be the same if you start today. Your result might be better than mine, who knows, because there's what we call grace and luck. So if luck shine on you, why not? You can just blow up in no time. But one thing is simply, don't compare yourself with people that have been in the game for a very long period of time. Like on YouTube, I've been here for 5 years, so I already know a lot about the platform. And on Facebook, I'm not really that active on Facebook, on my personal page, even though I'm trying to be active now. So one thing I'll tell you is simply, make sure you take any of this and then take advantage of it. Now, if you need any further breakdown on any of them, just let me know that in the comment section. Like whatever topic that you need a further breakdown on, just let me know. On this channel, I specialize on creating content based on your demand. So guys, with this said, see you in my next video. Bye.